Yeah, come on in. You wanna go feed the cows?
Yeah.
Go get a bale of hay. Guys, go get a bale of hay from the barn.
Yeah, for the cows.
It's pretty heavy.
Oh, we gotta use the Tyrese to lift them. Use the Tyrese.
Wait, what are we doing, Hank?
We're greasing package.
What's that?
Mom's asking if the gym's open.
Mom's asking if the gym's open?
Yeah.
Okay, well, let's grease.
Sneaky one.
How grease is this? Go.
Yeah. There's 5. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
That is what we have to do.
Okay. We're gonna put 6 in this one. Couple more.
That good?
Alright, that's good.
Take that. So this one.
One's a lot.
Bring it up, down, jump, pick it up. Pick it up. You know what this one's for? Put the back on.
Okay, what are we doing right now?
Okay.
We're greasing the truck.
Who's greasing? Yeah, Hank's doing our greasing, so a little bit of chores. Start of the day today. Got the little mini bike out, playing around a little bit.
Okay.
Duke and Mac are going to the controls here on the talk. Grandpa's already got hay out for the cattle today.
No, you're driving it with me.
And we got a go-kart tire to put on after this, okay?
Yeah. Bye.
You gonna push that? Here, push it.
Hey there.
That's a big hay bale, baby.
Hey, yeah, let's push this one. So I can get the
Let's go push a bale.
net out of there.
So one of the things we ran into is the former farmer would leave the baling twine out in the field, and it's a pain in the butt years down the road for our tillers and mowers.
You're not gonna do it with the arm.
So we're gonna move this thing over. They're gonna try like that. Come on, boys, pucker up. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on, push. 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 There you go. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Look at that, guys.
Oh,
Good job. Okay, now grab the baling twine. Get the baling twine out of the gear.
you're not giving up, guys.
What?
Get the baling twine, guys. So the whole reason we did that, here, grab some of this hay and throw it out in the field for them.
I'll feed the cow.
Yeah, go feed them. Go feed them. They're hungry, man. And try to find a bare spot where there's no grass.
Guys, if you see the blue stuff, let's do get all that stuff out of the hay bale.
Yeah. Do you remember when it got caught in our tiller?
Yeah.
Is that good for tillers?
No.
What about mowers?
Wait, do I do that?
No, it's terrible. Here, get this hay off.
I'll feed this one.
Yep, feed them. Just move slow, Hank. Hank, move slow. Move really slow. Yeah. Yeah, I think you're going a little too fast, maybe. Yeah, set it down so they know you're. Hey, back up, Hank. Hank, stop and come back here. Don't throw. No throwing. Just set it down gently. Hank, stop moving, buddy. There you go. Go get more. Go get more. Go get more.
That's okay.
That's Taco. Taco's just chilling right now. Yeah, and that's Tiger. Where'd you come from? Where'd you come from? Huh? Where you going? Where you going? What you doing back up here? What you doing?
You can pet them?
No, Hanky, come here, buddy. You're a little close.
How do you pet them?
That was the first time I ever petted one. I just got a little sniff. Good job, here, Duke. Why don't you pull the side-by-side up to that, Dookie, and we'll get that all loaded up. Good job, Phil. Yeah, you kind of lift it.
My footsteps.
Lift it up to him, Mackie. Come on.
Yeah, hold it down.
Why are we doing chores before we go-karting?
Don't make money. Later in life.
That's right.
You like practicing so you can do bigger stuff later.
Oh, Hank, that needs to go to the cows, buddy. Thank you, bud. Here. No, it doesn't. That goes to the cows. Let's go bring it to the cows. Come on. Come on, bring it to the cows. They're hungry. You're stealing their grass. Hank, what happens if you touch the white line? Good throw, buddy. I think Taylor likes you. Hi, Taylor. How you doing, Taylor? Yeah.
Go.
Where are we going? We're gonna go clean off the tiller. All right, so we got the taco all greased up. That bale's gonna sit there for now. And we're gonna take this to the trash.
Is Sally coming in there?
Sally's in. Seatbelt's on?
Yeah. Oh, Sally. I want it underneath. Ready? Everyone ready?
Yep.
Yeah.
Let's go. Ford's gonna pop the gate.
There's a little tiny one right there. There's a little tiny gate right there.
There is, yeah.
Yeah.
Is that a hanky gate?
Yeah.
Keep pulling up, keep pulling up. Beauty. Perfect. All right. Yep, toss her in.
So we just rode on it.
Yes, sir. Sally here. Good job, Duke. Duke, come help from your side.
Okay.
Come help lift that in. Push her in.
Oh, stuck.
Well, next time you should bring them. clean off the rest of this too while we're here. I just like my bed to be clean. Clean your beds. All right, now let's go clean the tiller out. So Duke succeeded at getting all the barbed wire out of there, but now we're gonna flatten it, okay? So flatten your bucket, drive forward, and then smash it.